Hi, my name is Bindiya Vasudeva and I'm from Mumbai. I was part of the Borivali Center in Mumbai. My CAT percentile was around 97.42, wherein my sectionals were VA 95, DILR was 97 and Quants was 92. I have graduated from IMS. I've done my BBA in finance and I have about 2.5 years of work experience in an executive search firm. My strategy to crack CAT was basically, this was my re-attempt. I've given an attempt in the last CAT as well, where I couldn't really crack it because I was working while studying, and I decided to re-attempt it this year. The only strategy that I really had was to figure out my strengths and weaknesses in the initial 2 months. I figured out that my challenging areas was quantitative aptitude, which I laid out a strategic plan wherein every weekend I used to study the concepts. The offline lectures were very helpful, and the whole week I used to practice through the different material that we had. Apart from that, I think how IMS helped me was we had a lot of my plan sessions that we got. Those sessions really helped in a customized approach for yourself. So mentors really help you in terms of figuring out how you should go about your strategy according to what your professional goals and your personal goals are, according to what your desired colleges are. So that understanding and guidance really helped me crack some of the prestigious calls from a lot of premier institutions. My advice for anyone who wants to really crack CAT would be figure out what amount of time works for you. People can crack it in about a year. People can also crack it in about 2 months. So according to your own capability, plan ahead of time how much time would you need to practice and study for CAT. Secondly, I would also suggest to, in the initial 2 months, really understand what is your weakness and what is your strength, and lay out a plan accordingly. Thirdly, I think building a holistic profile is very important to convert calls. A higher CAT score will not guarantee any conversion. So simultaneously keep working on your either WorkX. If you're a fresher, keep working on in terms of adding any certifications or courses, maybe a lot of internships. So that will help you come across as a very strong candidate for a lot of colleges. Yeah, thank you so much.